Hey there, my name is Bhatnagar and I am recording this video for you with my face to show you the 100,000 plus leads that I have generated using video ads. Now, the reason why I'm shooting this along with my face is because, and why I'm doing the video is because the screenshots and everything can be fake, but the video right along with the face cannot be fake, right? So let me show you the ads dashboard. Have a look at this. This webinar registration alone has done 100,000 plus leads over a period of last 10 months. Okay, and let me just click on it so you can get more idea. So 653 different ad sets we have over here, and let me just click on the results. Yeah, so 13,000 leads with this ad set, 2,000 leads with this ad set, and it goes along a lot of ad sets. Why different ad sets? So the video has remained just one or two, but different targeting, multiple placements, so all sort of stuff. Don't worry, we will be giving you the training of doing all this. And this campaign has been running since last 10 months. But the concept is that video ads work like wonders. So the concept is that if you start using video ads, and when you start using video ads in your marketing, you will start seeing immediate results. And this is the biggest proof right in front of you, right? And I, as a founder, as a co-founder, I will be training you on how to use video ads in your business. So yeah, this is right in front of you, 100,000 plus leads in last 10 months.